The peach blossoms in southwest China's Tibet Autonomous Region have attracted a large number of tourists. Mu Yiping and Tan Yan, a young couple from Chongqing, are among them. But there is one thing that makes their trip special: a coffee van.
我对西藏这边，还是挺向往的，所以说，我想以咖啡车的这种形式，进行一个咖啡旅行。然后我自己改了一辆车，然后从那边一直开过来，因为是第一次开咖啡车这样过来嘛。然后我觉得边走边挣这个旅费，然后还能把这个咖啡分享给大家，然后觉得是挺好的事情，
是一件开心的事情。
It took the couple half a year to modify the van into a mobile coffee shop. To make it before the peach blossom season in Tibet, the two started their journey from Chongqing in late February.
这里的现在这个季节，桃花一开，这个桃花沟里面的桃花满山遍野都是，真的非常的好。
心情挺好的这边。
What impressed the couple is not only the view, but also the great changes Tibet has undergone in the past few years.
比起上次来西藏的话，我觉得这边现在路也定好了，然后现在景区的每个领土上的每个那种服务景区都修建得非常好，公共设施也非常的好，这边的藏族同胞也非常的热情对我们。
In recent years, as Tibet is making efforts to improve infrastructure and develop its tourism industry, more and more people have chosen Tibet as their holiday destination.